How much does it cost to wrap a car? If you're tired of continuously painting your car and now you've decided to invest in car wrapping, then you've come to the right place to know how much it costs to wrap your car. Car wrapping is the process of completely or partially encasing a car in a unique vinyl film. It's made to make it easier for customers to modify the appearance of their automobile without having to shell out a fortune for a full respray. You can alter the appearance of your car with vinyl wrapping by choosing a different color, style, or texture, such as matte or shine. In reality, a wide variety of alternatives are now available thanks to the growing popularity of wrapping, letting you give your automobile a personal touch. So let's learn how much does it cost to wrap a car. The wonderful thing about car wrapping is that many of the hues, patterns, and textures are incomparable to a conventional respray. Or they could, but at a price that would be prohibitive for the majority of car owners. To withstand the harsh effects of the physical and natural environment, car wraps are made of durable PVC material. The price of wrapping an automobile is influenced by a variety of factors. The price might range from $2,000 to $6,000 if you choose to have your entire car wrapped by a professional. But this is only a rough estimate. The price increases from $10,000 to $12,000 as well if you own a fancy exotic car that is in immaculate condition. A car cover costs between $5 and $15 per square foot if we take that into account. Add installation fees to it, which can range from $3 to $4 depending on the car's kind, condition, and desired wrapping method. As a result, it can change proportionately and reach a maximum price of $19 per square foot. Labor costs, not automotive quality vinyl, account for the majority of the price. Depending on the size of the car you are wrapping and the quality of the vinyl wrap can cost anywhere from $500 to $2,500. Additionally, how wacky do you want to make your designs? Black vinyl wrap measuring 5 by 10 feet costs roughly $100 from online vendors. However, a roll of carbon fiber vinyl wrap that is the same size costs roughly $90 more. The prices significantly increase when you add color, texture, and detail. What amount of vinyl do you require? A 5 x 1 foot piece of vinyl from a roll of 3M's basic 2080 series costs $20, and a typical car requires about 250 square feet. Squeegees and tucking tools are additional expenses. Depending on how many items are included in the package, the price of such tools might range from $30 to $700. Additionally, specific blades and knives are needed. Be prepared to spend anything from $30 to $50 on that. The price of a heat gun can range from $50 to $100 or more. An infrared thermometer will also be necessary to prevent overheating the film. That will cost an additional $50 to $100. The size of the automobile, the difficulty of the vinyl design to be applied, and the amount of labor necessary for the model you're wrapping will all affect the cost of a professional car wrap. For a modest, 2-door compact automobile, quotes as low as $2,000 are not unusual. Prices rise from there to far above $10,000. The best advice for having a skilled professional wrap your automobile is to hire someone you can trust. Don't pay someone else to wreck your car. You can do it for free. On expensive vehicles, especially those driven and parked in cities, to prevent dings, clear wraps should be taken into consideration. After an errant stone chip shoots up and strikes it, a clear, nearly invisible wrap on the front can save the owner or lessee a lot of time and money in repairs and cleanup. In order to optimize scratch and UV resistance, the vinyl is additionally laminated. Additionally, as long as the advertising or artwork was done correctly and wasn't on the car for too long, you can easily peel it off if you need to return a leased automobile and the car will be returned to its original color scheme. Before putting anything more, it's best to make sure your lease permits the vehicle to be wrapped. The opaque colored wrapping is intended to completely or partially alter the color of your car. The most popular kind of automobile wrap is this one. Custom and advertising wraps: you can add patterns, images, or a logo of your choice to select wraps. Some people enjoy adding a distinctive imprint to their car with custom wrapping, which is most frequently utilized for advertising. Clear: to protect the paintwork while preserving the automobile's original color, transparent vinyl car wrapping is employed. Textured: for individuals who want to give their paintwork a different finish, such as matte or gloss, textured covers are available. The majority of textured wraps come in a variety of opaque colors as well. In conclusion, the price of wrapping a car can differ widely based on a number of factors, such as the size of the vehicle, the material used for the wrap, the complexity of the design, and the installer's experience. Simple vinyl wraps for small cars can cost as little as a few $100s, but complicated designs or larger vehicles can cost up to several $1,000s. To ensure a successful and affordable car wrap job, it is important for owners to get different quotes, think about their specific needs, and select a valued installation. Ultimately, a car wrap may protect the vehicle's surface while improving its appearance, making it a popular choice for personalization and branding. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.